Big story today, the gusty northwesterly winds at times this afternoon over 35 miles an hour, and with the very dry conditions of late, a very high fire danger to go along with it that will last through the afternoon. We are ringing out some snow shower activity up north. Otherwise, for central and southern areas, kind of a changeable sky this morning, eventually going to mostly sunny skies through the afternoon. You're probably saying to yourself, these are the highs for the day, but that's pretty much where temperatures are as we have gone through the morning. We are not expecting much of a move in temperatures today. Any sort of warmth that tries to build through the day will be counteracted by incoming colder air out of Canada, thanks to that gusty wind out of the northwest. That drier air tonight down to a breeze drops temperatures back into the 20s. It will still be a lingering breeze for the day tomorrow and into the day on Thursday, but a much lighter wind than those gusts out there through the afternoon. As you'll notice, it's full sunshine tomorrow, partly sunny skies both Thursday and Friday. Next system looks like nothing more than just a couple of showers Friday night and Saturday.